everyone and welcome back. In this video, learn how to make this flying paper bird mobile in just few simple steps. You can hang it in your room, in your garden, or you can use it as a school project too. I've linked the free templates in the description below. If you find this video helpful, I'd really appreciate if you could give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to join our crafty community. So, let's get creative, shall we?
First, draw a big bird and a wing and a small set to match, or simply download the full template linked in the description below. Trace or print it on 2 A4 cardstock paper and cut out the shapes. Take the two bird shapes of the same size and stick them together. This adds extra weight to the body so it's heavier than the wings to keep it stable. Now let's add some details and colors to the birds. Make sure to decorate both sides. Now let's make a stick to hold the birds. Start by rolling an A4 paper from the corner and glue the tip. Now place the bird on a cutting mat. Align the wings and use a piercing tool to poke 2 holes through both the wings and body. Then hold the wings together and cut a small slit right in the center and on the other side too. Repeat the same thing for the smaller bird. Grab your crafting needle and string. Thread through the bottom wing, then through the body's first hole, and then through the top of the second wing. Then loop the needle back through the second set of holes to link the wings, and tie a knot to secure it. Make sure that the string is not too tight and not too loose, just nice for the wings to move up and down. Repeat the exact same steps for the smaller bird. Gently pull the wings if you need to adjust the string. Cut 2 pieces of 46 cm string and tie the ends of each into a loop. Check that both strings are equal in length. Now slide 1 loop into the gap of each wing on the small bird. Now for the big bird, cut 2 62 cm strips and repeat the exact same steps. We can now place the small bird and the big bird on the stick. Add glue to secure them. Finally, tie a 50 cm string to both ends of the stick for hanging.
And there you have it. Your very own DIY hanging bird is now complete. I hope you enjoyed making this project with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next craft. Bye!